everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Watching others rake in views, followers, and sales while you struggle to get noticed? Listen up, because I'm about to hand you the proven system that allowed many people to 5x their revenue from $10,000 to $55K/month in under 6 months. Build a massive audience across multiple platforms, without showing their face. Generate high-ticket inbound sales on virtual autopilot, all thanks to the power of AI-powered video marketing. Now, before you start thinking, yeah, but that won't work for my business, let me stop you right there. Here's the cold, hard truth. Listen up, because I'm about to hand you the proven system that allowed many people to lightbulb. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. Lightbulb, it doesn't matter if you have zero experience creating videos. Lightbulb, it doesn't even matter if you hate being on camera. If you have a valuable product, service, or message, and you're willing to follow a simple AI-driven system, you can absolutely dominate video marketing on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. But here's the problem. Most so-called experts are feeding you nonsense, selling you magic formulas or viral hacks that might give you a temporary spike in views, but do nothing for your bottom line. What if you could have viral-worthy videos created for you without spending hours recording, editing, or brainstorming ideas? What if AI could handle everything so you can focus on collecting leads, closing sales, and making money? What if you could post on Instagram without lifting a finger and finally start attracting customers and commissions? Why spend hours or $1,000s for something that ViralReel AI does in minutes? 1. Create and post videos on autopilot. Create and post viral Instagram videos effortlessly with ViralReel AI. In just 2 minutes, generate faceless reels, story videos, memes, and posts, then let AI schedule and publish them automatically. Say goodbye to hours of editing and manual posting. 2. Generate followers with the AI follower generation engine. Rapidly grow your Instagram following with the AI followers generation engine. Let AI engage the right audience, amplify your reach, and attract loyal followers effortlessly, building your fan base without any extra effort. 3. Sell products and earn money via faceless accounts. Monetize your growing audience with ease. ViralReel AI helps you sell products, services, or digital content while keeping your content optimized for conversions. Turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. No face, no editing required. ViralReel AI comes with simple, yet crazy powerful features. Create story videos. Effortlessly create engaging Instagram story videos with ViralReel AI. Using AI, you can instantly generate captivating and share-worthy stories, tailored to your niche. Choose from templates or create entirely new content, and have your videos ready for posting in under 2 minutes, without any manual editing. Create stories with game video background. Transform game footage into dynamic Instagram videos with ViralReel AI. Combine your gameplay clips with stunning animations, transitions, and AI-driven voiceovers to create highly engaging content. Perfect for gamers looking to expand their reach and create viral content easily, without spending hours on editing or production. Create videos with GIFs. Turn animated GIFs into powerful Instagram videos with ViralReel AI. Easily add GIFs to your videos, customize them with text, effects, and transitions, and create entertaining content in minutes. Whether for humor, quotes, or reactions, GIFs enhance your video content and boost engagement on social media. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.